Bottom of page 213, I want to talk about the driving forces of change. Why chemical reactions and physical changes occur. They occur for two basic reasons. So a driving force of change is because it's typically going from a less stable to more stable structure. So change occurs to increase the stability of a system. That's why changes occur around us. So the first reason a change will occur because it will go from a higher energy system to a lower energy system. So the less energy present in the system, more stable. So that means some processes occur because they are exothermic in nature. So the products have less energy than the reactants. That is one reason. But you also know that there are naturally occurring endothermic processes that occur. So the other reason why a change will occur naturally around us is that it will go from order to more randomness. So a system that keeps complete order is typically under high stress. So when you have to maintain complete order, it's high stress. The system wants to relieve that stress, so it allows more randomness to occur. So when there's more randomness in the system, it's less stress. So some processes of change occur because we see an increase in the entropy. So an increase in entropy. So one driving force of change is higher energy to lower energy, or it occurs because it wants to relieve the stress of keeping complete order to having randomness. Now, there's this specialty class of reactions or processes of change that are considered spontaneous. So what I'm going to say is the natural reason of why things happen, it's one or the other. But then there are these processes that are considered spontaneous because they are both exothermic, so they have a negative delta H value, and they also have an increase in entropy, which is a positive delta S value. So if something is considered spontaneous, and we typically will think of like spontaneous combustion, and it's typically like an explosion or something that's violent, exothermic, and it shows an increase in entropy, where most natural occurring processes, it's one or the other. So I might think, if it's spontaneous, I might think explosive. Okay? Like spontaneous combustion.